Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you another powerful hair growth recipe. The first ingredient we will be having is okra. We are going to be needing fresh okra for the recipe. Before I proceed, I have to make sure that the okra are thoroughly clean in order to remove dirt and impurities. Okra are amazing source of vitamin C, calcium and potassium. These nutrients are helpful for providing nutrients to the hair. They are also amazing for providing moisture to dry scalp and hair. Okra is also amazing for producing mucilage. This mucilage is helpful in softening your hair, making it shiny and silky. Okra can be used as a detangler. It makes your hair more manageable, hence loosening knot and tangles in your hair. So after washing my okra, now I'm going to go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces. Once I'm done cutting them, I'm going to go ahead and transfer them to a pot. I'm going to add about 1 cup of water, and after adding water, I'm going to cover them and I'm going to transfer them to a stove, and I'll allow them to boil and cook for about 10 minutes. Now the okra have already started boiling. You don't need to overcook them, because if you overcook, you will end up destroying important nutrients. So just 5 to 10 minutes are enough. Next, we will be needing some bananas. I'm going to be making use of 2 bananas. You can also use 1 or 2. And make sure the bananas you are using are ripe. The riper the banana, the better. So first I'm going to cut the bananas into smaller pieces. I will remove the peels and then I will throw them away, but you can also use them later. They are very beneficial for our hair. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which are helpful for our hair. They help in improving hair texture and adding shine. Banana also helps to control frizz as well as reducing split ends. They can also help to soften your hair, making it smooth and manageable. So I went ahead and removed okra from heat and allowed them to cool down. I'm going to go ahead and transfer them to a blender. I'm also going to transfer bananas, and I'm going to cover them and blend them together. Now it's done blending, and this is how it's looking. I'm going to strain out the treatment, and I'm going to be using a weak cup. I'm just gonna make sure that the treatment is smooth and soft. Just make sure to use something with tiny holes like a weak cup, a cheesecloth, or a piece of cloth. Bananas contain small seeds, so you need to be careful when straining out. Just use something with very tiny holes. As you can see, I made a mess, so I'm just going to strain out the second time with a piece of cloth. So if you guys are still watching this video up to this point and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and also give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, and also turn on the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. So now we're done straining out, and this is how the treatment looks. It's very soft and smooth. I'm not going to strain out again. I strained it 2 times, so there is no any particle left. I'm going to be adding my favorite oil, which is coconut oil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Use any oil of your choice. Now I'm going to mix them together until they mix completely, and after that I'll go ahead and apply to my hair. Just stay tuned and watch to the end. My hair is really dry right now. I washed and shampooed and also detangled. So before I go in with treatment or any mask, I make sure that my hair is well hydrated with water-based product. I like to use water or hair growth spray. I'm using water right now. So I make sure I hydrate every single hair strand. After hydrating my hair, then I go in with the mask or the treatment. I'm making sure to apply the treatment from the roots of my hair moving towards the tip. As I do with application, I make sure to use my fingers to finger detangle and to supply the treatment to each hair strand. Finger detangling is very important, especially if you want to retain length and if you want to avoid much breakage. Once I'm done with one section of my hair, I always like to twist it back. I proceed to the other sections of my hair. I repeat the same process until I complete all sections of my hair. This treatment is very hydrating and softening. As I'm applying, I can feel the difference. My hair is very soft and I am able to detangle and to run my fingers through without causing any breakage. As I said earlier, okra is amazing for detangling your hair. Banana are also amazing for providing sleep. So the two ingredients mixed together provide sleep and hydration to your hair. You're able to detangle your hair carefully and you won't experience unnecessary breakage. So this is the best treatment I have found whenever I want to detangle my hair or whenever my hair is dry. I like to use this treatment, and after I use it, I don't experience unnecessary breakage. The treatment is also amazing for increasing thickness of your hair. It also helps to soften your hair. You will see a difference from the first use. So you need to use the treatment once a month or depending on how often you wash your hair. Use the treatment and after using it, just use a plastic cup to cover your hair. Wait for 45 minutes or 1 hour and then go ahead and rinse it off. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you in the next. Bye.